Hello South Africa. Today is Friday, December 23, 2022, and here are the top 5 stories that have made headlines for today. Here is where you can get the cheapest cooking oil in SA. First, it was toilet paper. Now it's cooking oil. Prices for liquid gold are skyrocketing. But here is a list of where you can get the cheapest oil to keep frying up a storm. Here is a list compiled for you from some of the country's leading supermarkets comparing prices. This new WhatsApp feature can save you from embarrassment. WhatsApp's new undo delete message feature. WhatsApp's new accidental delete feature will come in handy if you accidentally use delete for me on a message. The new feature gives you a 5-second window from the time you deleted a message to undo the deletion. After you delete a message, a small dialog box will appear with the message deleted for me. Expected traffic forecast to KwaZulu-Natal this week. This week, traffic on the N3 toll route towards KwaZulu-Natal is expected to increase as vacationers make their way to their destinations. This week's expected traffic volumes and peak conditions on the N3 toll route in the southbound direction towards KwaZulu-Natal have been released. When traffic volumes are high, slow-moving conditions are to be expected. 2 women brutally murdered in robbery on Zimbabwe-bound bus. 2 women were shot and killed during an armed robbery in the early hours of Thursday morning, December 22. The bus left Tshwane for Harare, Zimbabwe, just after 1 o'clock. South African Police Service, SAPS, spokesperson Brigadier Matlefila Mojapelo said the trio of armed suspects boarded the bus, which belongs to the Copperbelt Bus Company, in Pretoria and pretended to be innocent passengers. As it passed Mansolway Bridge along the N1 road, near Bela, Limpopo, one of the suspects allegedly produced a firearm and shot through the front windscreen, forcing the driver to pull over, said Mojapelo. Man seriously injured after trying to commit suicide on N1 bridge. Emergency services have rescued a middle-aged man who allegedly attempted to hang himself from a Centurion bridge on the N1 South in Gauteng and then fell onto the metal road barrier below. The incident happened on Monday, December 19, 2022. According to the emergency service, Community Emergency Response Team, CERT-SA, on Monday morning at around 8:38, the Centurion crew responded to an incident on the N1 South at the Jean Road Bridge crossing in Centurion. Please subscribe for more news updates. This is Leah for the South African.